Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I am here with a quick fix for the iOS 18 lock screen and control center bug. After updating to iOS 18, you might find that you can't edit the control center or lock screen when you try to press and hold to edit. It just crashes. Here's a simple trick to fix it. Go to the settings on your phone, tap the general option from here, then scroll down and find the language and region option from there. Tap on it and select different version. For example, UK English. You can select there's an US English. Wait a few seconds, then go back to the general and the language option from here, then change it back to your original language, in my case US English to UK English, like this. Once you do this, the issue should be fixed. This seems to be a bug from the update. To fix it permanently, check for a software update by going to the settings in your phone, tap to the general option from here, tap the software update option from here. If any update is available, just install it. Apple will likely address this in future updates. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.